Our relationship with AppOrtho is phenomenal. I mean, we couldn't do what we do without their assistance. The assistance that they give to us with providing first-class quality care to our student athletes is second to none. I mean, I will rival that with anybody in the area and in the country in that aspect. Drs. Parker, Dr. G, Dr. Bullers, all of them provide quality care to our kids. They're available, they're accessible, they're here. And it is a direct correlation of when they joined in to our student athletes having that care that our records and everything else started going up. So I have the pleasure to serve our student athletes and try to find ways to be innovative, to look outside the box, to help them thrive on the field. And one of the controllables out there is health and wellness. And in order to provide them with quality care, we need to identify providers who are going to give that to them. And one of those ways is young, energetic providers that are here to help them be the best that they can be and available. That's the other part of this whole process I think people forget about is I'm that man behind the curtain, but again, I'm pulling those strings and I couldn't do what I do without their assistance. And them being able and accessible to help us at any time makes it really, really good. They're embedded in the community. Involved in a lot of things. They're out and about. They're not just behind a wall. They're not in the OR. They're out, and people see them. And that's what I think really boils down to, not only for the patients in the community, but also our student athletes. They see them. They understand them. They walk up and, hey doc, how you doing? And it makes it even better that the physician's going to recognize and remember you, that he might come over and say, hey, how you feeling today? What's going on? And initiate the conversation, which makes it even better as a patient knowing that this person does remember me and care for me as a person. AppOrtho opened their facility on the third floor of the end zone facility is game changing. If you think about it, yes, it does help our student athletes out a ton, that we have access, that they can come up to the third floor. I mean, we have student athletes have to go to class. They're here to learn, they're here to get an education. So any way we can keep them in the classroom, keep them learning, and in ways that we can do that is going to enhance everything that we're doing. So being able to come up 3 floors, we can get them here, getting evaluated, and get back out to class. So that doesn't also affect our student athletes, but also the students or the professors that are all here. So it's game changing in a lot of ways.